Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to draw angle bisectors. Bi means two, sectors means areas. So we will be dividing an angle into two parts, okay? Two sectors. So let's quickly first of all draw an angle. I'll draw a line segment. I've drawn an angle. Let's measure the angle first. Okay, so this is exactly, let me align it properly. This is exactly 42 degrees. Okay, so I have to divide this 42-degree angle into two parts, two sectors. So I will be bisecting this angle into two. I'll place my compass at the vertex. We'll lock the compass and we'll draw an arc from one side to the other. Okay, now I'll place this compass on this point, keeping the same radius open. I'll draw another arc. I'll place the compass on the other end of this angle, and again I will draw an arc. The point at which the two arcs bisect each other is the point at which the angle bisector lies. So I'll join this point to the vertex, and this gives me an angle bisector. You can check it is equally divided into two parts. The angle was 42 and now this one is exactly equal to 21. So this is it for today. Allah Hafiz. I hope you have understood it. Bye bye.